Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Mm. Okay, but it has no any kind of means rule regulation or any condition and you forget your mother tongue. Right now we are talking each other in English, but we never ever means forget our mother tongue, right? Okay, tell me. Mhm. Of course, definitely you are right. Hmm. Okay, that is also language. It is also language. Okay. 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 Right. Yeah. Because mhm, because you know, but I want to tell one thing. We cannot learn all state languages. Right. We cannot learn it, but we can learn English easily. Right? Because we study since childhood. That's why it is easy for us.
Okay.
It is.
What I'm saying,
Mhm.
we cannot learn all other state language,
Yeah, we cannot learn because
right?
right.
Yeah, that's also I agree. So, mother tongue like our mother. So we are not able to forget our mother.
Of course,
We
definitely.
learn our mother. We learn our mother. We want to communicate other state and other people. So we learn English.
Of course, that is even though you see who lived in 30 years, 40 years in foreign country, and they never ever forget their mother tongue. They can speak fluently mother tongue also. They can speak fluently English also, but they are staying in foreign country, UK, Canada, Australia, but they never ever forget their mother tongue because they are Indian. They have
No,
a
no,
mother
no, no,
tongue.
no, no. What I'm saying you are not understanding.
Okay, tell me what you wanted to make
Yes,
me understand.
except in Tamil Nadu,
Mm-hmm.
in Tamil Nadu, 100 people are living, for example.
Okay,
And 100 people are speaking Tamil.
okay.
It's not like that in all over India.
Mm-hmm. Then,
If I coming to the Odisha,
mm,
in the 100 people, maybe 90 people are speaking in Odia.
of course,
The two people are not speaking in Odia.
yes, I got your point. 2% people are
You know one thing?
okay.
Here, Muslim,
Mhm.
Muslim also speaking Tamil. They don't know in Hindi.
Right. Because they are mother tongue Tamil. They are mother tongue Tamil. Right.
But if I talk about a lot of state, to particularly Muslim people,
Okay.
they speak very Hindi. But
Mm-hmm.
the maximum people are not speaking in that mother tongue.
Okay. That's
What will happen when we are going to debate or discuss about the debating?
mm-hmm.
We lost the unity.
Right. You are right.
We lost our culture.
Yeah, but it depends upon person to person. If you set up your mind.
Yeah, person to person it happening,
Mhm.
but when you are starting, we are discussing like a person to person. You are not interested, so just look at it. You learn Tamil and English. So I am not interested. I am learning Hindi.
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
So let's just take what will happen right now. 10 people are forget the Tamil. Next year, 20 people. Next year, 40 people. So what will happen in 2100, 2300?
Hmm.
We lost our language.
I don't think people lose their
You
language,
know,
native
it can happen. So, you know, that's what I'm given the example.
language.
You be and the because people are speaking Mithili and the Bhojpuri. Right now, everyone speaking Hindi. They forget that.
Mhm.
Then mother tongue. In case if you are asking what is your national language, they are feeling like a Hindi. Mother tongue Hindi. They forget.
No, they use inside their home in Maithili language and Bhojpuri. But if they want to interact with office or any kind of professional people, any kind of well educated people, they speak with them in Hindi, I think so. Otherwise, they are what you told about Maithili and Bhojpuri, that is their native language, regional language, I think.
What? Mm, I think you are not understanding.
Okay, I got your point. You wanted to tell me people forget their native language because they always
Not
try
it,
to
it
speak
will not
Hindi.
happen. It's happening right now. Not I'm not telling the immediate. I'm talking about the future 50 years, 60 years, 70 years.
Okay, right now I got up. In future, people they will forget their native language and regional language, and they always speak in Hindi. Is it your point of view?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, I got your point. That's
We lost our culture. We lost our mother tongue.
People, they adopt in different culture and different. That's why intercaste marriage is going on. And second
Yeah,
thing,
no,
different
no, no, no.
country.
Language is different. Caste religion is different.
Oh, caste religion is a different. I'm not telling particular, but people they get married and they adopt culture, right? You spoke about people they forget their culture, their original language. Then because they want to adopt different culture, people they want to go to abroad and they get married in there. They want to stay there. They want to take permanent residence in there. They want to be there, then definitely they forget their mother tongue because they don't get chance to interact with anyone in their mother tongue. Obviously they have to speak in English, right? Because English in their native language in foreign country, then they speak with everyone in English. They never speak with anyone in their mother tongue, Tamil or Odia or something elsewhere, right?
We are not worried about who are settled in foreign.
No,
We are worried about who are working in Tamil Nadu, who are working in other government. We
talking.
are talking about like that.
Yeah, but even though you see people they do it, I am telling about they do it. If you want to keep touch your culture or everything language long time, then maybe it's not possible. People they change their mindset, right? They want to learn and they want to adopt a different culture. They want to go. If they want to do, they can do it, right?
Right.
Yeah.
But you are mentioned who are settled in foreign, who are working in for other country.
Mm-hmm. Right.
That's okay. That is compulsion.
Huh, that
And if I am
cannot
coming,
use.
if I am coming in Odia,
Mm-hmm.
my compulsion I should learn in Odia Hindi. What is what people are speaking that language I should learn.
Right, right.
That I agree completely.
Yeah.
But
Mm-hmm.
the hours, what I'm saying, you are in working in Odia, but you